How to control iPhone without touching it. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Here, scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Voice Control. Simply tap the toggle switch next to Voice Control at the top to turn the feature on. Now, go to Commands to view all available voice commands. Tap on Basic Navigation to view the navigation commands. Here you can find commands like Open Siri, Go Home, Go Back, and many more. After that, go back to the Settings page and tap on Siri. Go to Talk to Siri and choose the Siri or Hey Siri option. Now, you can try giving a command to your phone without touching it. Your iPhone will execute the command instantly. Following these steps, you can easily control an iPhone without touching it.